Okay. Children, chapter 2, standard 4, SST, are natural and cultural heritage. Chapter 2, SST, are natural and cultural heritage. What do you mean by heritage? What do you mean by culture? If somebody asks you, what do you mean by cultural, natural and cultural heritage? As you all know, we live in India. India is a motherland, a country which is so beautiful and so rich with natural resources. Now, in India, we speak many languages. Per state has a regional language. So, number of states, so number of languages spoken. So, our country has 28 states and 28 regional languages. Okay, then in India we have famous monuments. Now, what are monuments? We have many historical buildings, many historical buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Charminar, the Red Fort, yes, the Gol Gumbaz, many are there in India. So it adds beauty to our country. People from different country visit our country to have a look at these monuments. That is, to visit these historical buildings. Then we have dance form of India. That is the classical dance of India, which is again divided into two parts that I will tell you later. Then we have the traditional music, the Hindustani music and the Carnatic music. We have our own set of music. Then we celebrate many festivals. We have many festivals. Celebration of festivals in India is very common. Every month we celebrate a festival. It's only in India we celebrate Diwali, Dashera, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Ramadan, Christmas, and many other festivals. Every state has a festival of their own, and overall, in general, we celebrate the main festivals like Dashera, Deepavali, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Christmas. Okay, so with all this, we are very proud to be an Indian because India is full with cultural heritage. Okay, now chapter 2 are natural and cultural heritage. Under that, first we study what is heritage. What is heritage? India, it is a land of rich culture and heritage. We have wisdom, traditions, we have wisdom, different customs. Heritage includes culture, traditions, historical buildings, languages, dance, and music. Art forms like poetry, coin collections, is all includes under our heritage, and it was not started by you and me nor our parents. It was started by our ancestors. Ancestors, our great grandparents. Okay, so this is called as heritage. They have started and we are following it. Now, our natural and cultural heritage. Under that, we will know what are our natural heritage. Now, what is natural heritage? Nature. We get it from nature. We have got it from nature. Our natural heritage comprises the environment that surrounds us. That is the beautiful nature around us. It includes the unique animals, birds, plants, forests, mountains, rivers, valleys, and other natural features. So, in natural heritage, it includes animals, animals from India, birds, plants, forests, mountains, rivers, valleys, and other natural features found in the country. Many of these are worshipped and have religious significance. Now in India, we respect the rivers, we worship, we perform puja because we show our respect, and that only happens only in India, not in any other country. Then during festivals also, we visit our neighbors, we visit our relatives, we visit our near and dear ones, we wish them, we send them sweets and presents. This happens only in India, not in any other countries. Now, we have some, according to some ancient stories, yes, we say that the rivers that we have in India, they are considered as goddess. There are gods and goddesses. People worship them. Now, how does the animals help us, or how does the plants help us, or how does the birds help us? Why do we need forest? We need forest because animals have to live in forest, not in a house. If there is no forest, where will the animals live? Where will the birds make their nest? So we require forest. So forest adds beauty to our country, and at the same time it gives shelter to birds and animals. Now, when I talk about the river, the historical buildings, we have so many in our country. People from different parts of the world, they visit India to have a look at these monuments, historical buildings. Now, our natural heritage under this, the animals, birds, plants, forests, mountains, rivers, valleys, and other natural features found in the country, they help us in one or the other way. Animals help us, birds help us, of course, plants help us, forest, the mountains, the rivers, valleys, this all adds beauty to our country.